Minimize your need for gas furnace repair using some simple tips. Have you been trying to locate ways to minimize your need for gas furnace repair, but have no idea how to achieve this goal? There are some tips that will make reaching this goal easy for anyone. The following are the tips that will allow you to minimize your need for furnace repair. 1. Get your furnace services regularly. This is a must-do for anyone that wants to minimize the repairs that will need to be done to your furnace. It is much cheaper to have your furnace serviced regularly than to constantly be calling for repairs. Repairs can get expensive, but keeping your furnace in good working condition with regular service is the smart way to prevent this and will save you money. The best preventative step you can take to reach your goal is to have service done every 6 months, or at least once a year. 2. Keep your furnace from working so hard. It is important that you find ways to save energy because this will help you save money and will prevent your furnace from having to work at top capacity 24 hours a day. 3. Before calling in the professionals, take time to check the basics. It is smart to check the basic things that could be causing the furnace to not work correctly before you call in a repair service. First, you want to check to make sure the pilot light is still on, or if it has gone off for some reason. There is usually instructions that can be found on the side of the furnace to help you with this. Check your thermostat to ensure that it is clean and is reading the temperature right. A faulty furnace can easily fool you into believing that there is something wrong with your furnace. Take time to check the filter to be sure it is not dirty and doesn't need to be replaced. It is also smart to check that the circuit breaker is on. If nothing is found to be wrong from checking the basics, then it is time to call in the professionals. All of these things combined will help to minimize your need for gas furnace repair, but be smart, and if the furnace needs to be repaired, then call a professional. Don't try and fix anything on your own, especially if you have no experience, because this can cause you to make the problem worse and may end up costing you more money when you do call for help. If you enjoyed this article by Jeff Schuman, please visit our Fort Collins Furnace Service website today. We offer Fort Collins furnace repair and a wide range of heating products and services to meet your every need. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Jeff_Schuman/12221